Shriya Infotech company reported a loss of around 96 odd crores. But if you go to see on a year-on-year basis, that's a significant drop from where they were at 191 crores loss that they reported same quarter last year. The management joins in right now to take some questions. Mr. Charanjit Attra. Sir, thanks very much for joining in. Let's talk about the highlights of this quarter and what has caused you to pair these losses that we saw at the same quarter last year, and when do you expect to see a break even? All right, I think we are having an audio problem there and we've lost the line. We'll try and get Mr. Charanjit in just a few moments, but just quickly going back to the markets. Amongst the losers, and I want to highlight the losers, we've got quite a few stocks that are losing out as well. And Bajaj Auto on the disappointing October sales numbers is down 2%. ACC, IndusInd Bank, Ambuja Cements and HDFC Limited, these are stocks at the top 5 losers on the index. I think we've got Mr. Charanjit back with us. Sir, if you could run us through the highlights of this quarter.
If you look at our numbers, our quarterly revenues were about 328 crores as compared to 300 crores in the last preceding quarter. But actually, if we look at the current half-year results, we are at about 629 crores of turnover as compared to about 609 crores in the last half-year, with our EBITDA, or what we call it as a profit before interest and depreciation, actually at about 109 crores as compared to about 46 crores in the previous quarter. So that's a healthy jump on the EBITDA numbers. Our interest cost is still high, which is leading to still a net loss position. But presently we are working with our bankers very closely to see how we can reduce our interest cost and come back into the green as soon as possible.
If you could just give us back of end calculations as to what you've done. When exactly are you expecting to break even, sir?
See, if we are able to, get into a reduced interest rate scenario with their bankers, we believe that in the beginning of the next year, we should easily be able to break even. Today, if you see our operating results, which is, our EBITDA, as we call it, or the operating profit before interest and depreciation, has been continuously over 50 crores over the last 3 quarters, and that has been a consistent growth. We are at about 17 to 18% of our margins, which is comparable to any of the mid-tier IT companies today in the market. So we are there as far as the operating results are concerned. We have high interest cost, and once we are able to find a solution and fix that up, I believe early next year we could be back into the green.
Got that. Quick comments there, Mr. Charanjit. Thanks very much and best of luck for the coming few quarters in terms of the earnings performance. Prashant.
Mr. Rajiv Bajaj is joining in right now.